Hi, my name is Mike. I'm here to show you today how to install the Isolite 3 that shipped to your office without the power supply or the power vacuum base. When the Isolite 3 arrives, simply take it out of the box. You'll see the control head on one side and you'll see a standard HVE hose on the other. Simply rack your Isolite 3, then take the other end and attach it to an available suction port on your HVE trap, and you'll be good to go. The Isolite 3 will be fully functional with the exception of the light. The light won't work until we ship you the power supply and the power vacuum base, and we'll talk about how to install that next. When the power supply and the power vacuum base arrive at your office, follow these steps to install it to enable the light on your Isolite 3. First, let's go to the chair. We're going to disconnect the Isolite 3 hose from the HVE hose. Leave the 6-inch HVE adapter hose connected to your trap. Next, on the end of the HVE hose, we're going to take this swivel and we're going to turn it a quarter turn clockwise. We'll then remove this adapter. You don't need this anymore and you can throw it away. Next, take the PVB or the power vacuum base and you're going to attach it to the end of the Isolite hose. Make sure you line up the pins and then turn this swivel a quarter turn, to the left. Next, connect the power vacuum base to the 6-inch HVE hose that's connected to your trap. The last step is to take the power supply and plug it into the Isolite power vacuum base, and when this light goes blue, you'll be good to go.